Good day to everyone. I'm Ivan, the Financial Jedi, and I will talk about the cryptocurrency industry, the smart portfolio, and the new format of our meetings. Let me tell you a little about myself. Since 2008, I have worked as a trainer and a coach. Later, I started working in active sales. In 2014, I realized my work did not bring the desired level of income, and that I needed to start putting aside 10%. I began investing based on my instinct. Later, I realized that it wasn't so simple, and I needed to learn how to do it. And since 2016, I have been actively studying investing, actively increasing my capital. In 2017, I learned about the cryptocurrency industry, the cryptocurrency market, and started actively investing in this market. Today, at the Academy of a Private Investor, I hold webinars on the cryptocurrency industry and how to make money on it. I'm the head of the Smart Portfolio project, which is precisely the topic of our today's meeting. Before we start, I want to tell you about our new training format. You can ask almost any question in a Google form. To do that, scan the code or follow the link in the description. Fill out the form and ask your question. And later, these questions will be all processed and answered in a video. You will receive the links to these video answers on YouTube at your address. And they will be also posted on the YouTube channel. And there you will see all the answers. This is to make sure that everyone gets the answer to their question. Let's get down to training and try to learn more about the cryptocurrency industry and how to start investing and how to make good big money in this market. Today, the cryptocurrency industry offers a wide range of ways to make money. Such as buying and holding various coins, such as mining, such as various decentralized applications and opportunities. NFT tokens, non-fungible tokens. You can create tokens yourself. You can buy them, resell them, and so on. You can start trading and learn how to make money from buying and selling cryptocurrencies and essentially any assets. There are also various applications, smart contracts, companies that are developing in the field of blockchain technologies. Obviously, you can make money by investing in instruments such as ICO, STO, IEO, and others. In other words, the cryptocurrency market is quite wide. It provides us with ample opportunities. You can find a lot of different offers on the internet. How to make money on cryptocurrencies, one better than the other. Some promise you a wild growth, some a stable growth. Some offer an opportunity to make quick money here and now. Some offer to earn slow money in the long run, and so on. All of this will be related to cryptocurrencies in one way or another. Speaking broadly, I want to draw your attention to the very high pace at which the cryptocurrency industry is developing. It was only in 2009 that Bitcoin appeared, and already in 2013, 46 cryptocurrencies were present on CoinMarketCap. It's like Wikipedia for cryptocurrencies. And at the time, Bitcoin accounted for 95% of the market. But as time passes, the market is actively changing. New tokens, new companies, new blockchains appear every day. One is better than the last one, and it's all evolving rapidly. What was trending 1 or 2 years ago isn't in the trends today. The market is changing right before our eyes, and it is very difficult to keep track of all of this. In the summer of 2021, Bitcoin accounted for just 45% of the entire market. In other words, in the past, it used to be Bitcoin and a little something else, which just started to appear. Today, Bitcoin doesn't make up even half of the entire market, with much more money now being not in Bitcoin, but in other tokens. As of summer 2021, there were 11,000 cryptocurrencies, and as of early 2022, more than 16,000 cryptocurrencies are published on the CoinMarketCap website. There you can see statistics about a huge number of tokens. I can tell you even more. There are actually many more tokens. And a lot of tokens are not even on CoinMarketCap. They just haven't been listed there. Almost every minute, every hour, some new tokens appear. Someone creates them, works on them, and the entire industry is actively developing. And no one knows what the market will look like in 2-3 years. No one can give you any guarantee, and no one can provide any reassurance that any particular token will be on top in 2023, 2024, 2025. We do not know what the market will look like in 2-3 years, but we know one thing for sure: this market will develop. The cryptocurrency industry and blockchain technology is the future. Everyone knows it, one way or another, but this market will develop. So the most important question is how not to miss all these great opportunities, and how to cover this entire market most efficiently, in as little time as possible. After all, right now there might have appeared a new token somewhere, which in 3-5 years will be on top. But can we find it among 11,000 cryptocurrencies? And this is where the Smart Portfolio product comes in handy. It will help you save time. It will help you put together a perfectly balanced portfolio. What does this product do? This product works on the Binance exchange and on the Huobi exchange using API keys. And it helps you create on these exchanges a balanced cryptocurrency portfolio in terms of capitalization. Let's say today Ethereum ranks second. Consequently, in your portfolio, this coin will also rank second in terms of the amount of funds invested in it. Now, look at the bottom of the screen. This is the kind of balanced portfolio that the Smart Portfolio will make for you. What you should know is that every day tokens swap places. Every day some new currency appears, and it can take off within a month or two, and make it to the top, and you won't even have time to react and find out what kind of cryptocurrency it is. So Smart Portfolio takes care of this task. It creates and balances your cryptocurrency portfolio, and you rest assured that you, at any time, have the top tokens. The tokens that are recognized by the market, not some people, not because someone advised something to someone else, but the market itself. The market is always fair. In other words, if Ethereum ranks second on CoinMarketCap today, then it will rank second in your portfolio. Here's an approximate ratio of tokens today. Bitcoin accounts for roughly 40% of the entire portfolio. About 15-20% is taken by Ethereum among all cryptocurrencies. And another 100 cryptocurrencies account for roughly 30-35% of the market, and this share is growing. New tokens such as Uniswap, Solana, Polkadot are now taking their place in the market. And the bulk of tokens make up only a small share of this market. And you have the opportunity to cover almost 95% of the entire market. Please note that you are not buying any specific tokens. You are buying the entire market, the entire cryptocurrency market. And today, these top 100 coins have one token that will show the best performance over the next year. You don't know which token it is. I don't know which token it is. Nobody does. But the smart portfolio will make sure that you have this token. And you will clearly understand that if it is in the top 100 cryptocurrencies, then this token is worth it. Backtesting showed that investing in smart portfolio is more profitable than investing in Bitcoin. Various backtests were carried out. What is a backtest? It's when you use historical data. In this case, the data were taken from the 1st of March 2020 to March 2021. And the backtest showed that if you had bought Bitcoin in this period of time, you would have earned 578%. However, the growth of the entire crypto market was higher by 30% than the growth of Bitcoin and equaled 600%. If you had purchased the top 30 cryptocurrencies, the index top 30 in Smart Portfolio, you would have earned approximately 800% or more. With top 50, 900%, and with top 100, around 1000%. All of it was backtested. I'd like to point out again that investing in Bitcoin would have earned you 570 or even 600%. You would have made money if you had just bought and sold. If you had bought the top 100 cryptocurrencies with rebalancing, Smart Portfolio would have earned you much more, because Smart Portfolio includes both Bitcoin and 99 other tokens, including Ethereum and many others, which are growing and showing a better performance than Bitcoin. I calculated what would have happened if you had bought $3,500 worth of Bitcoin on the 1st of January 2021 and sold it on the 1st of January 2022, exactly 1 year later. If you had bought $3,500 worth of Bitcoin and sold it a year later, you would have had $5,689. This is $2,189 in net profit, which is plus 62% per year, considering that Bitcoin went both up and down. It grew and fell, but overall it grew over the year. And it does so almost every year. Almost every year, Bitcoin grows. There were exceptions, but almost every year Bitcoin increases in price. But if you had spent the same $3,500 and bought Smart Portfolio, you would have bought the service itself for $1,200 and spent $2,300 on cryptocurrencies, on Binance or Huobi, and could have earned $8,546 with this service. This is because the cryptocurrency market itself has grown more than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the driver of growth, but Bitcoin is not what makes the market grow now. It is other tokens, such as Solana, which grew many times over the year. Ethereum has also grown significantly, and many other tokens that you may not be aware of now. So let me stress it out again. If you had purchased Smart Portfolio exactly a year ago, you would have earned almost double compared to just buying Bitcoin. And it is important to understand that the cryptocurrency industry and the cryptocurrency market do not guarantee that you will earn here and now or tomorrow, because the market goes up and down, but in the long run, you will definitely earn. Here is a specific example of Smart Portfolio in action. Since the 16th of June 2021, $6,591 have been invested on the Binance exchange, and $1,200 have been spent to purchase the service. A total of $7,791 was spent. See what happened in just 2.5 months, thanks to the overall growth of the cryptocurrency industry. Here I am showing you the charts of the total market capitalization and the growth of Bitcoin. Over this period, Bitcoin first fell and then rose. And you can see on this chart that at first Smart Portfolio shows a negative value, and then it shows a similar growth. Smart Portfolio does not give any passive income. It helps you invest in the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. And the result is that in 2.5 months, $7,791 turned into $9,671. Therefore, your capital gain in these 2.5 months was approximately 8.5% per month. You can learn how to calculate it at our other webinars. If you're interested, write to us. We will hold additional training on how to calculate capital gains. Let's move on. What is it? How much does this product cost? Where and how can one buy it? As for the price of Smart Portfolio, there are two options: $1,200 for 1 year and $740 for the light version. The light license has limited functionality for you to try it out. In order for Smart Portfolio to be effective, it needs a certain minimum amount on the exchange. Please note that this is the minimum amount, and you can deposit on the exchange as much money as you like. The service costs $1,200, and it will allocate this amount across the top cryptocurrencies. Therefore, if you want to purchase the index from the top 100 cryptocurrencies, you need to have at least $2,000 in your account. For top 50, it's $1,500, and for top 30, it's $600. Thus, the minimum starting amount for this instrument is $1,340, which covers the cost of the light license and the minimum deposit amount of $600. If you do not have $1,340, you don't need to take a loan. There are other strategies that you can learn more about in our training sessions. How to turn $1 into 1 million. How to get a good income by starting with just $100. If you are interested, go to the Academy of a Private Investor, find those trainings and take them. Here are some strategies for using Smart Portfolio. Let's say you have the minimum required amount of $1,340. You can go for the minimum strategy. You purchase the light license of Smart Portfolio and deposit $600 on the exchange. Then you launch the strategy of the top 30 cryptocurrencies, and later, by topping up your exchange account every month, you can increase your capital to $1,500. And after that, due to the increased price of cryptocurrency and because you turned $600 into $1,500, you can purchase a license upgrade for $460. And continue topping up your exchange account by making monthly contributions until you reach $2,500. And when you have more than $2,000 on the exchange, you can switch the strategy from the top 30 to the top 50 or 100 if you want to. This is the minimum step-by-step strategy, how to achieve the best result. The next strategy is the optimal strategy, when you immediately purchase the full version for $1,200 and deposit at least $2,000 on the Binance exchange. And every month, you top up your exchange account with $100, $200, $300, as much as you can, and build up your cryptocurrency portfolio. And within a year, you can increase your portfolio by 2, 3, or even 10 times, depending on how the cryptocurrency market and the cryptocurrency industry in general behave. And the maximum strategy implies that you already have some cryptocurrency. Let's assume you have $10,000 in cryptocurrency and you can allocate $5,000 across the top 100 coins, and keep the remaining $5,000 in some other crypto coins. Let's move on. The minimum strategy. Who is the minimum strategy for? For novices who do not yet understand everything in the market. These are people who want to invest in the cryptocurrency industry as safely as possible. The optimal strategy is for more daring people who have some kind of reserve capital, reserve funds that they can easily invest, and will not think about it for 1, 2, 3 years, and will not need to withdraw these funds. The maximum strategy is for people who are engaged in trading or who have already made good money in the cryptocurrency industry, thanks to mining or some other instruments. They already have crypto capital, and this is a way for them to diversify, and a way to save time on cryptocurrency market research, because Smart Portfolio will buy top crypto coins for them in a specific period of time and will keep this portfolio up to date. Only action gives rise to results. You simply have to learn what cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency industry are, and how they work, what capitalization is, what index investing is. You need to study all these things. We can give you practical step-by-step guidance. Come to our training. Take courses at the Academy of a Private Investor to understand how different instruments work. To purchase Smart Portfolio and use this product, you need to take the following steps. First, create an account on the Binance exchange. Go through registration and verification there, or do the same on the Huobi exchange. In the settings, you need to configure access using API keys. The exchanges offer video tutorials on how to do it. We will also help you individually, and our partners who already have an account will help you too. The second step is to register with Cryptounit and to buy the service in the Cryptounit back office at the price of $740 for the light version, or $1,200 for the full version of the product. After that, you go to your Smart Portfolio back office and enter the API keys from the exchange. This way, you link your Smart Portfolio to the Binance exchange. There are special video tutorials on the YouTube channel, and at the very end, you decide on the strategy you are going to use. You can exclude some tokens from the list and configure your strategy. That's all for today. I also want to add that you can ask your questions using the Google form. The link is in the description to this video. You can also scan this code and ask your question by filling in the form. Over the week, we will collect all these questions, process them, and make a short video, which will be subsequently translated into different languages and posted on the YouTube channel. Additionally, you will receive the answer to your question via the contact details that you will specify. I wish you all successful investing this year. All the best. Join us, and may the financial force be with you. Bye, everyone.